Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we shall going to tackle a very common interesting SQL interview question, that is how to convert rows to column. So if you are preparing for data analyst position, interview of data analyst, there is a very high chances that you're going to face this kind of a question: how to convert rows to column without using a pivot function. So, and in most cases, people, once they see the word without using pivot, they end up panicking. They end up using the pivot function, yet they've been instructed not to use. So in this video, I'm going to show you the technique that the interviewer expects you to know. So let's go straight to the question. So this is our original table. So we are expected to come up with this table. So if you can see the healthcare, transport, and milk. So they are in rows, but they've been converted to column. You can see the 3,000, 1,200, 500. You can see they are converted into column. So let's go straight to the point. So for this case, you will have four columns, that is MPID, healthcare, transport, and so let's start with the MPID. So for this one, we're going to use a case statement. So let's use case when. So case when the benefit type, case when benefit type, and the benefit type equals to, and the benefit type equal to healthcare, healthcare. Then return amount, then return amount, and then we will end as a healthcare. Then comma. So let's just copy this one. Copy this one also. Yeah, so we are making the column of healthcare, transport, and milk. So our first case when our statement was case when the benefit type is healthcare, we return the amount. And when the benefit is transport, we return transport. We return amount, and then we call the column transport. And when the benefit type is now meal card, call it meal card. Yes, so if we run this query, we shall going to have to get this type of question. So, but we want to remove the null in this type of table. So for that case, we'll have to group by. So once we group by, for example, in MPID1, once we group by, we will have 3000 null for healthcare. So if you want to remain with the 3000, we can use maximum, so that we can only remain with the maximum value in every MPID. So for this one, for MPID in healthcare, we will have our maximum is 3000, the rest are null. And then for transport, MPID in transport, we have null 1002. So the maximum is this one. And then we have for MPID1 for meal card, we have null, and then so maximum for this one is 500. And then we have MPID2, we have 3500 and null. So the maximum is this one. And then MPID2 again in transport, we have null 1500 and then null. So our maximum will be this one. And then we have MPID2 in meal card, we have null 700. So maximum is 700. Same to 3. So this one maximum is this one maximum is this one, and this one is max. So for that case, we'll have to add a function, a maximum function. So we will add max and then we close the bracket. We also here add max, we close the bracket, and we also close the bracket, and then we here also add max, and then we close the bracket. We also here, is it open or close the bracket, and then come to, we group all of this, group by MPID. So once we run this, so once we run this, we can get our original have been converted from the column from the rows to column. So let's try to run the original table. Select, it will select star from the table was benefits. So let's try to run all of them here. Yeah, so we can see we've gotten our table have been converted from the rows to columns. So healthcare, we can see healthcare is here, transport is here, milk card is here, and then we have 3000 is here, 1200 is here, 500 is here, and then we can see 3000 for MPID2. MPID2, we can see 3000 is here, 3500 is here, 1500 is here, 700 is here, and for MPID3 you can see 2800 is here. Yeah, so it's that simple, but I guess you just need to understand the logic behind this type of query. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe, share, and comment, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.